So hello everyone, myself Priyavrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques. So guys, first of all, I would like to say thank you everyone for your support and love and helping us to reach to this 10,000 plus subscribers milestone, because we are glad that right now we are a part of this 10,000 plus subscriber, or you can say we are a part of this big family right now, and we will be looking forward to help more job seekers like you all with their job search as much as possible. So guys, what we have decided to do here, we have decided to do a giveaway like other YouTubers do to celebrate their milestones of their subscription. But this one is a little bit unique one, because as we all know that this one is a learning platform. So what we have decided to do, we have decided to provide you the courses free of cost, which will be helpful with your job search. So right now the TCS, Infosys, Accenture, other mass hiring companies are hiring through the off campus as well as through the on campus. So Geek for Geek, I think 99% people or the candidates might have idea about this Geek for Geek platform. So it's a very good platform and the big platform for the IT professionals or the IT job seekers especially. So it provides the modules or the materials for the off-campus or the on-campus preparation. It also provides you the courses like learning courses, etc. So what we have decided to do through this, first of all, you have to participate in this giveaway challenge. You have to complete certain tasks, and then you will be able to get or will be able to win some of the prizes which will be free of cost. So what we have decided to do here, so we'll be providing you the TCS NQT preparation material or the mock test material free of cost. So it will not be only for the TCS, it will be also applicable for the other mass hiring companies like Cognizant, Wipro, Infosys, Accenture, etc. So through this material you will be able to practice the aptitude questions, reasoning, pseudocode questions, programming questions, etc. And apart from that, you can attend the live mock test or the written test as well. That means it will be more than enough for your practice, and easily you can crack the written test. So this is all about the written test. And our regular viewers might have seen that every time we mention for the mock interview, you can reach us through this email address. That means we provide the mock or the technical interview and the HR interview mock test facility as well. So it is a paid one. We have helped many people or many viewers with their mock interview and the HR interview preparations. So here what we'll be doing here, so here we'll be providing you the this mock test for the HR and the technical interview free of cost. And apart from that, we'll be providing you the resume building assistance as well. So that means it will be a complete package starting from the written test preparation to the technical and the HR interview preparation. That means it will be a complete package. You can practice, you can crack the written test, you can crack the technical interview, and you can crack the HR interview after doing the preparation, and you will be getting the offer letter in your hand, which is I am 100% sure after completing or after going through these things, definitely you will be able to crack the written test, technical and the HR interview for the especially for the mass equipment companies. So yeah, one more thing, if you might have seen or not, I don't know, Geek for Geeks also provides you the job assistance. That means they work like a job portal as well, like the Naukri.com etc. does. So but in case of Geek for Geeks, the companies actively hire instantly. Within few days you will be getting a call for the interview. So in order to apply for any company through this Geek for Geek platform, you need to pay a certain amount. That means you need to buy the membership. But through this giveaway, you will be able to get the TCS NQT material plus that membership as well. That means you can apply for many companies, and the salary, if you see, starting from 6 LPA to 10, 12, 15, 20 LPA also. It does not matter. Salary will be getting very high. because few people apply for the companies through this Gig for Gig, because membership is needed, it is not free platform. That means the probability of being shortlisted is high in these platforms. So now let's see or now let's discuss how can you win this giveaway gifts. So in order to win these gifts, you have to participate in this giveaway. So here there are two steps or the two tasks you need to complete. So the first one is you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is mandatory. The candidates, those who are already our our regular viewer in our YouTube channel, no need to subscribe it again, because you will not be able to subscribe. And those who are new to our YouTube channel need to subscribe and take a screenshot of it, keep it with you. And second task is you need to complete the 2 pseudocode questions. So these pseudocode questions are very much easy. Within 5 minutes of time you can complete the pseudocode. That means 3 or 4 lines of code it is there. So you need to complete the pseudocodes. So in case of pseudocode, you need to find the output or the solution, and also along with that, what you need to do, you need to provide you as the proper justification. Why I am asking you to do this? Everyone has a compiler, C, Java or Python. They can write the code and they can give us the solution. There is no difficulty. So we need to keep it professional, in a professional way. That means no cheating. So that's why we have asked for the explanation. So suppose if I am adding b equal to a plus 10 and the value of a equal to 10. So here what will be the output for this b? A equal to 10 plus 10 equal to 2, so 20. So b equal to 20. So like this you need to give us the explanation. So like suppose your answer is 20, you need to give or provide us a proper justification or explanation. You need to write 2 to 3 lines of explanation, which is more than enough. You need to complete these tasks in a notepad or Word file. You need to just attach this Word file, and you need to send this Word file to our YouTube channel email address helpfultechnics@gmail.com. So now let's discuss about the total number of winners count. How many people will be able to get this opportunity or will be able to get these prizes, which is very much important because many people will be participating in this giveaway. So first of all, we'll be choosing 10 successful or first 10 people, those who have fully answered or fully successfully have answered these questions. So for that first 10 candidates or the viewers, they will be getting these 4 things. That means the TCS NQT series or the NQT written test mocks. And second thing is the technical and the HR interview assistance, which will be provided by us. And third thing will be getting the HR resume building facility. And fourth one is the this Gig for Gig off campus application access. So these are the 4 things you will be getting. The first 10 people or successful or the 10 winners will be able to get these 4 facilities, and we have decided to provide this facility to the other 10 people. That means totally 20 people will be choosing. So other rest 10 people will be able to get this technical HR interviews facility and the resume building facility. That means they will not be able to get the written test facility or the TCS mock test series. They will not be getting. So this is all about the winners or the number of winners will be telling you. So now let's see about the questions. So I'll be showing you the questions in my screen or laptop screen. So what you can do, either you can just note it down by pausing the video, and second option is there in the description of this video. I'll be putting the link of the Google Doc or the document. Go just click on the link, it will be redirecting you to the Google Docs page, where you can just copy the questions and you can solve the questions, and try to send us as soon as possible, because So I hope you all are able to understand about this giveaway challenge, and after 7 days we'll be announcing the winners, name list of the names. We'll be making the video so that you'll be able to know about the problems and the answers as well. We'll be discussing about the answer as well. So stay tuned and try to send us the answers or the solutions along with the explanation. If the explanation is not there, we will not consider the responses. So please try to attach your explanation for the solution or proper justification towards the solution as well. So guys, these are the two pseudocode questions you need to solve and send us the solution along with the proper explanation or justification. So this is a easy pseudocode one, just 1 2 3 4 5 lines of code. You can ignore this print statement, just simple. These are the simple pseudocode. And second one is this one. It is just a function along with the if else statement. So I guess most of the candidates will be able to solve these two pseudocode questions, and it will be hardly taking 10 minutes to solve these two pseudocode questions. You can pause this video and you can note these two questions. Otherwise, I'll be putting the link of the Google document in the description of the video. You can go through the link. Otherwise, you can just pause this video and you can note these two questions down. So please try to send us the solution along with the proper justification as soon as possible. And one more thing, you need to send us the subscription screenshot as well, subscription of our YouTube channel if you are new to our YouTube channel. So thank you for watching, and after 7 days we will be announcing the winner's name. So thank you for watching.